Hi friends, today we are gonna to analyze Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. The price has broken an important level and shows a strong upward movement, but it's time to figure out what's going on and where can we go next. At the time of writing, Bitcoin is trading around $96,000. Over the last few candles, we have seen a sharp upward momentum with a consolidation breakout in the $95,000 and $96,000 range where demand was previously held back for a long time. What is important? The breakout was accompanied by volume growth, which means that not just speculators are behind the move, but probably strong hands, big players. Such behavior often indicates the beginning of the new trend wave. The oscillator shows that the price has entered the overbought zone, so a local correction is not excluded in the near future. But for now, the bullish structure is not broken. Now about the zones. Support zone $94,000 and below $91,000. Resistance zone, the nearest target is $98,000 and above the already psychologically important $100,000. If buyers continue to hold the current zone, we may see a quick attack on $98,000 and $100,000 in the next 24 hours. But if there is a bearish volume and a failed attempt to break $98,000, a pullback is possible at least to $94,000 when the first consolidation after the rise took place. It is important to keep an eye on the volume, and if it remains long during the pullback, it will confirm a healthy correction. If volumes rise sharply on a fall, there is a risk of a reversal to $91,000. Let's take a look on Ethereum for our time frame. We can see that the price is confidently exiting the accumulation zone and testing an important resistance level. What is it? A continuation of growth or a trap for buyers? Let's look at the chart. At the time of recording, Ethereum is trading around $1,850. This is an important zone. This is where the order clusters and the sellers' reactions used to be, as you can see from the marks on the chart. If you pay attention, it was from 1,855 that we have already seen pullbacks in the past touches. Now the price has approached the zone again. The structure is bullish so far. Since the beginning of April, we have seen a series of high lows and high highs, which suggests an upward dynamic. But there's an overbought zone of the stochastics, with both indicators, blue and orange lines, crossing in the upper zone, which may signal local market fatigue. Now the key levels. Support zone, the closest level is $1,750. Next is a strong $1,600 zone from where there was a strong reversal. If we see a pullback, these are the levels that will be important to watch for buyer's reaction. If Ethereum breaks through $1,855 and consolidation above, the next target are $1,990, $2,070, and then $2,100. These are levels where profit taking has accumulated in the past and price has lost momentum. Volumes are moderate so far, but if they start to grow sharply at the moment of breakdown, it will confirm the interesting of a big capital. Let's move on to Litecoin on the 4-hour lifetime. Let's move on to Litecoin on the 4-hour time frame. The coin is showing good strength, and right now it is testing an important zone where sellers have triggered more than once before. Let's look into how sustainable this move is and where we can go from here. At the time of writing video, Litecoin is trading at $88.50. The rise has been going on for a few days now, and from a localized bottom around $76. The price has added over 12%. It is important to note that the current level $88 to $89 is in an area where there was a previously dense resistance volume. We've bounced off these values several times before, and that's where active selling has been. You can see it on the chart by the cluster labeled as sell signals and pullbacks after touching the level. Now, technically, support is at $83. This is the zone where successfully broke through earlier. Next is a stronger base of at $76. And deeper is the $70 level, which is where the current upward momentum started from. Volumes are not picking upwards, but not falling either, meaning interesting is present, but a breakout of the $90 area without a surge in liquidity could be false. If price consolidates above $94, the next resistance zones are $96.50, and then 100 and 1.90, which could be considered a major round level and the potential final target of the wave. And if you like this short and to the point technical review, don't forget to subscribe. I had a few more alts that look promising on the daily. See you soon.